Now we are going to solve engineering mechanics problem. We have a numericals on resolution of forces. The problem is on the screen. The resultant of coplanar concurrent system of forces shown in the figure below. The figure is given that you can see the four forces are there. One force is 20 root 2, which is inclined at 45 degrees, and 10 kilonewtons downward, 20 kilonewtons horizontal rightward, and 30 kilonewton vertically up. So we have to find out the resultant of the given problems. The question is came in engineering service 1994. Now what we have to do, that the forces is coplanar concurrent. Coplanar means what? The force which is acting on the same plane, and concurrent means the forces which is acting on the same point. So we have a four forces. First we need to find out the means we have to resolve the forces. That let's resolve the forces along horizontal direction. So we can say the resolving the forces horizontally. Okay, so we are resolving the forces horizontally, means you can say that is summation of fx is equal to, this is 20 root 2 and it is inclined with 45 degree and inclination with the horizontal, so and it's the arrow is towards left, so it will goes horizontally left side, so it will be minus 20 root 2 cos 45 degree, and this vertically we can't take, so again the 20 kilonewton horizontal rightward, so it will be plus 20, right? So after simplification we'll get the value will be 0. Now we can say then we have a resolving the forces vertically. Okay, vertically. So when we have a resolving the forces vertically, which means that is summation of Fy is equal to what? The vertical force, these two are vertical, and this inclined forces whose vertical component we need to find. So this we can say 30, this will goes vertically up, so we'll take positive, and then these two are down, so we'll take it as a vertically downward is negative, which is minus 10, and its vertical component is 20 root 2 sine 45, which is minus 20 root 2 sine 45, right? So just for the understanding purpose, that this what 20 root 2 forces is there, so its horizontal component will be like this. I'm showing with the black color pen, that is 20 root 2, it will be cos 45, and it's the vertical component of this inclined force will goes in the downward direction, which is your 20 root 2 sine 45. Okay, so now that how to resolve the forces, you can get it from the other videos, right? So when you simplify this, it's the total solution for this also will be 0. Then we'll get the resultant, that we have to find out the resultant of the given forces. So the resultant is what? That resultant we are denoting by R is equal to root over of summation of fx square plus summation of fy square. So it is nothing but the 0. Okay, so you can write that option. I have not written here, that it takes time, so that there is a number of options are there, so you can choose the option as a 0, right? So this is your answer.